Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar index. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar index, I mean, we really can't deny that we are in a very, very large downtrend on the higher time frames. And if you go all the way up to the very high time frames, I am still very, very, very bearish. I still think this is going down at least to the 100% Fibonacci extension, taking out all these lows before we even remotely get a big move to the upside. So I'm still very, very, very bearish on the higher time frame. So on the shorter time frames, that means we need to keep in mind that anything we see to the upside is likely just a correction to the downtrend. If you've been watching my US dollar videos, you know I think this is perhaps already an ABC correction. Now, it could end up being some sort of a flat and it could end up going back up again. I mean, on the daily time frame, it could go up again for sure. I mean, it could go up to like the 38 or the 50%, end up doing something like this before it actually continues the downtrend. As long as it doesn't take out this high up here, then it is definitely, definitely still a downtrend on the much higher time frames. So we have FOMC interest rate news coming out today, so I'll have to see what that does. I will be live streaming for that news event today on YouTube, so definitely check that out if you want to see my latest analysis on all your favorite pairs. But I mean, I always, always, always lean towards the higher time frames. So that means that I would be looking at this move up right here as likely just a correction to this last move down. And that means that I would definitely be looking at Fibonacci levels as possible areas of resistance, possibly ending a smaller ABC correction and continuing the downtrend today. As always, the trend is your friend, and the trend is definitely, definitely still down on the much, much higher time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.